If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Tell you about a tool that you must have in your fishing arsenal, and that is the ZACX pliers. Here is what you do need. ZACX multi-use pliers, guys. These pliers will do the job of all those tools that I have mentioned before. This aluminum grade multi-use plier, super light, will do the job of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other tools, and this is all you need. They are light. They have this little bungee cord so that you don't drop them in the water. Let's talk about the braid cutters that this has. Check it out. This is 50-pound braid. Look how easily this thing cuts through it. Check it out. See that? Easy money. Look, let's just check it out. Look, easy like butter. You didn't have to apply too much force. Check it out. Gone. Let's double it up. Let's double it up. 2 lines of 50-pound braid, and notice I'm not really putting tension on the other side. You know that if you put tension on braid like this, it's easier to cut through it. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna cut straight across. Check it out. Oh my goodness, that was 2 lines of 50-pound braid. So let's do 4 layers of 50-pound braid. There's 1, there's 2, 3, and 4. So there it is. I am gonna cut right there. Look at that, guys. Look how clean that cut is. 4 lines of 50-pound braid, heavy 50-pound braid, and it just cuts like butter. Let's see it again. You hear that little snap, and it's cut. So the braid cutters are super sharp. You can use them as regular pliers just to take a hook out, and they're look at the profile, guys. Look at that profile. You can get through any gills of any fish with that low profile, and then you have big leverage. These open on its own. But what about the split ring pliers? Check it out. It has it right there. Let's check out how that works. All right, guys, so I have one of my crankbait boxes here. Let's grab one of the crankbaits. Let's see. All right, let's grab this big 6 cents crankbait. All right, guys, so let's say I'm in a tournament. I'm getting bit on this deep diving crankbait from 6 cents. All I need to do to stretch these hooks out is grab my ZACX pliers, get a hold of that ring, and just get that hook out. So now if I want to put it back on, get that hook back in there, and after 10 seconds you are back on the water catching some big fish with that crankbait. All right, guys, if you want to check out these pliers, click the Amazon link in the description. Go check them out. Tell them that you saw this video from Fishing con Velasquez.